Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically share your Discord link to your TikTok. So for instance, you stream like games on TikTok like Valorant, or what else do people play? Marvel Rivals, can't say that properly. Or maybe they play that game or any other multiplayer games like Roblox, and you want to like play, but like you want to play in like voice chat. So you want to share the Discord link. To do that, you are just going to select the like invite button up here. Hopefully y'all saw that. And then press copy link. And then you can also edit the invite link. Here it says your invite link expires in 7 days. So edit invite link and make sure you select expire after never. You can also adjust the max uses, for instance, infinite, and you can even enable temporary membership. Select save, and then you are going to copy the link. Go to TikTok, go to your profile, select edit profile. Then go to links. Go to the website, and you're going to paste that website in and select save. So whenever people want to join your game and they want to be in the like server or in the chat, they can just select that link and they can basically join your server. I am going to change the link to the server though, because I don't want people joining, but let me just do that real quick. Let's edit the invite link. Max number of uses, 1. Expire after 1 day. There. I'm gonna generate a new link. There we go. So y'all, so join. Hopefully I've made it so people can join that server. But anyways, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you can hear like sounds of like weird noises, that's like my chair. It's just very squeaky and I'm a little bit exhausted. But anyways, if you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.